Hello friends, today we are going to see the basic concept and data of hydrology. So first we know the hydrology. So the hydro means water and logy means science. So the science deals with the water, that is called hydrology. So now it deals with occurrence, circulation and distribution of water on the earth surface and earth atmosphere. So now the hydrology plays the important role in measurement of total rainfall depth, then measurement of total depth of infiltration, measurement of groundwater, then measurement of surface runoff, then measurement of flood discharge in rivers, then measurement of capacity of reservoirs, then designing the hydraulic structures like bridge, weir and dams. So now we are going to see some data. In hydrology they are asking the data and constant values. So now we are going to see the data. So the weather climatic change only takes place in troposphere only. So next, the percentage of area covered by the ocean on the earth surface is about 71%. So then the total quantity of water available in the earth is approximately 1.386 into 10 power 18 meter cubes. So that is 1386 million cubic kilometer. So the total quantity of water in the ocean is about 97% of total water on the earth's face. So that is the total quantity of saline water is 97%. So the percentage of fresh water on the earth is about 3%. Out of 3, only 30% of water in liquid form. So other 70% is in solid form. So next, the lapse rate. So decreasing temperature above the surface in the earth's atmosphere is 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. So the atmospheric pressure is expressed in the terms of bar, which 1 bar equal to 10 power 5 Pascal. So next, the monsoon starts from 1st June and it ends in 30th September. In India, monsoon starts from Kerala and Assam. So in India, the average depth of rainfall is 119 centimeter per year. So next, in India, the normal annual rainfall is based on the average or mean of past 30 years of record. So this question asked in IES 2014. So next, the cloud consists of colloidal particles of liquid and solid in suspension state. Next, the evaporation from the ocean surface, sea surface is 90% more than that falls on the sea surface back again. Out of 100% rain, 9% only falls on the land. So 91% falls in the sea. So this question asked in IES 2015. So next, the humidity of the atmosphere is measured by the hygrometer. So next, the wind speed is measured by the anemometer, and in India the depth of rainfall is more than 200 centimeter per year in Kerala, Assam and Western Ghats. Next, in the world the highest depth of rainfall takes place in the Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, so northeastern, about 10 meter per year. In India the winter rain takes place due to western disturbance, that is Afghanistan. In Tamil Nadu, the rainfall takes place due to cyclonic precipitation in the month of October and November, so post monsoon. So in India, the tropical cyclone, so cyclone, hurricane, typhoons takes place due to the low pressure in Bay of Bengal having anti-clockwise wind direction at northern hemisphere. So next is the sum of definitions asking in IES and GATE examination. The first one is isoheight. So the line joining the point of equal depth of rainfall, so that is contour of rainfall. Next, isopluvile, the line joining the point of equal depth of rainfall based on the return period or frequency. So next one is isochron. So the line joining the point equal to time of interval of rainfall on the ground surface. So next one is isoplete. So isoplete, the line joining the point of equal evapotranspiration, or PET, so that is potential evapotranspiration. So next one is isobars, so the line joining the point of equal pressure. Next one is isobath, so the line joining the point of equal to the depth of water. So next, isobond, so the line joining the point of equal thunderbolt. So next, isonif, so the isonif, the line joining the point of equal depth of snowfall. Next, isohel, so the line joining the point of equal sunshine. Next, isosaline, so the line joining the point of equal salinity. So next is the type of rainfall. So there are 3 type of rainfalls. So first one is light rainfall, so next moderate rainfall, next heavy rainfall. So in light rainfall, the intensity of rainfall is less than or equal to 2.5 mm per hour. So next one is moderate rainfall. So the intensity of rainfall is 2.5 to 7.5 mm per hour. Next, heavy rainfall, the intensity of rainfall is more than 7.5 mm per hour. So next one is the rainfall measured by the instrument known as rain gauges or ambrometer or pulvinometer. So next one is the important graph of hydrology. So the hydrograph is very important. So the hydrograph is drawn between intensity of rainfall in centimeter per hour to the time duration of rainfall, so in hours. So in x-axis the time duration of rainfall and y-axis having intensity of rainfall in centimeter per hour. So the total area of hydrograph equal to the total depth of rainfall. So area is equal to x into y, the hour into centimeter per hour equal to centimeter. So we can get in centimeter. So again we will see in next video. Thank you.